When you think about the power of magnesium for a great night's sleep, how does that work?
Well, magnesium is really responsible for relaxing and calming the muscles, and it's also really important for relaxing and calming the mind. It relaxes and calms the muscles because it's an electrolyte. So you have magnesium, calcium, sodium, and potassium. But again, magnesium is one of the most is the most deficient mineral worldwide, right? So it's a calming supplement. When you kind of like think about like what effect magnesium has on muscles, it kind of like relaxes muscle cell fibers. When you look at calcium, calcium causes muscle cells to contract, right? So it's kind of interesting. So magnesium is always going to cause a relaxing effect. And when it crosses the blood brain barrier, it's going to have a calming and soothing effect on your mind.